The first film I ever made was Certain Chapters.
AK-47 and a rifle gun. Mina vigilar och dömen är såg om ända. Kanske kapor även base som page ammunition reload. Talli maru muchi. Talli nile Brian Wayne. Det varje gång check a walk down. Johnny verkar gå till det. Injo mot det budu. Tanda var arten. Torre get the boys from the hood. You gotta step back. Bring it on. Shit what it giant. What it giant. Ida den nere del på den chip och du min the art of denial. She var en kajil.
This short film catapulted my career, and it kind of like made the people within the filmmaking community accept me as a filmmaker. So today I am going to be sharing with you 10 key pointers from the short film which will be useful for budding filmmakers. Before I finalized with Certain Chapters, I worked on 2 other scripts. I can't remember what was one, but the other was about a doctor who finds out that his partner is having an extramarital affair. So as a filmmaker, you are like toying with stories. You don't really know which one you want to create. It's a form of strategic procrastination, I would call it. Finally, I confirmed Certain Chapters, and one of the key reasons which drove me to that decision was that I could actually get a lot of resources to make this film happen for free. Like if I were to go and shoot a story about a doctor, I need a clinic, and I could not find someone at that age, at that point of time in my life, who would give me his clinic for free to film. Most of the clinics or hospitals, they were quite costly, and as a budding filmmaker, I couldn't really afford that. So it's like I realized that this script, I had the resources to create this script, and I could pump in more value to it. Therefore, I went for it. Second key point is the project timeline itself. I took about 1 to 2 months to finish the scripting for Certain Chapters. I shot the script over 3 days, but I actually took 3 months to shoot these 3 days. Once you plunge into production, it's difficult to control the costs. Number 3, 90% of the film was shot in 3 locations, and all 3 locations were about 20 minutes away from each other. I deliberately planned it in such a way so that I could reduce the travel time and increase the roll time. Number 4, the budget of the film is $6,000. Number 5, every shot that you see in the film was storyboarded. Yes, every single short film. I have misplaced the storyboard, unfortunately, but the entire film with the dialogues were storyboarded. In this way, you can direct your funds more carefully and manage your entire shoot more prudently. Number 6, almost all the actors were first-time actors, and we conducted rehearsals with each and every one of them. And if I'm not wrong, we almost conducted 3 to 4 rounds of rehearsals. We even rehearsed this scene with the truck. Number 7, we only used 1 camera for the entire short film, and we went handheld for the most part. Number 8, the entire film was dubbed, and we had no experience in dubbing. My brother Shabir, who is also the musician for the short film, managed to do the entire dubbing in a home-built studio. And till today, I can say that it's enduring work. Number 9, the actors were the crew. We had no professional crew on set. They were the one carrying the lights, they were the one carrying the props, they were the one driving the vehicles around. As a budding filmmaker, you have to learn how to make the most with what you have. And finally, the 10th point. I found this dude in the gym when I went to work out. I found him extremely suitable to play the role. But the funny part is that I nearly got punched by him, because he thought that I'm there to cause some trouble. Of course, he was surprised to know that I wanted him to act, and he gladly did it for us. So I hope that the 10 points that I've shared with you, most importantly the 9 points, would be helpful when you are going to embark on your short film journey. And if you do have any questions regarding your short film, feel free to leave them in the comments section. I would definitely do my best to reply.